I'm going to show you how to remove a side mirror. This is for a 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. And the process is similar for many other vehicles. There are 5 clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to remove all of them. Get a pointy tip and just lightly push this in. Next, there is 4 Phillips screws to remove. Next, grab your pick or hook pick, and right here, push that out, and then there will either be one piece here or a piece right here in this case. There we go. Now grab a Phillips screwdriver. That'll pull it straight up. Get to our side mirror. You can just leave this hanging. And you can see right here, the side mirror is right here. It connects to this. So all you have to do is pull this out. Just take this off just a little bit. Or you can take the whole thing off completely if you want. Doesn't matter. Now I have full access to this without taking off this trim panel to get to the side mirror. When we pulled it up, the panel was hanging on to these clips, 3 of them. So in this case, this one just popped out. Okay, now there's 3 bolts right here. You need an 8mm socket and a ratchet. And we're just going to loosen the bolts first. Once it's nice and loose, just go ahead and unscrew it by hand. You might have to support the side mirror right now. You might not though. Now, there's a clip right here. Pull it out. Very important step. You need a T25 Torx bit, and you're going to unscrew that right there. Okay. And see this clear tape? There might be a bolt here, and there might not be. In my case, see that? There's no bolt there. So I'll just put this tape back down. After removing that torque bolt, grab a flat tip. Just slowly pry it. So once you pry it up enough, you could keep prying this closer if you need to, or at this point I can just pull it straight off. So now if you want to, you could just pry this whole thing off, but why do that? More work, more unnecessary work. Just bend this here. You can put a flat tip here, and then go along the side here, and then here, and then you'll move this just enough to pull out the side mirror. Again, while leaving this up a little bit, you don't have to fully take it off. Line these up to the holes right here. There's 3 holes. These 3. screw it in by hand. Connect your mirror using the 3mm bolts. Quick little tip. See these little clips right here? Well, there's one there, and that one is not in yet. That might happen when you're taking it off. So all you need to do is pull it down. See that? It slides up and down. Take the pry piece and lightly tap it in. There we go. Put the clips in. Make sure everything looks good. Line it up. Once I put this on, I can just line these 3 clips up and push this down, making it much more simpler. Yep, it's in. Start putting the screws in. Clips. Pull the piece out. There we go. And that's how you put on a side mirror. This job should only take about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. It was actually not hard at all. Anyway, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other helpful videos.